Okay. Alright, batter up.
Ready? Ready?
Yay!
Yay!
Hold on. Screw this thing down, I think. Doesn't it go down? No, wait, it's a little bit lower. It's more in his Whoa! Swing, batter, batter, batter. Holy cow!
Good job, buddy!
Crushing that.
That's a big bat.
Here you go. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, go. Swing, batter, batter, batter.
Ready?
Whoa! Base hit to left center.
Can you get in your stance? Get your stance.
There you go. Okay, Daddy will have to go get him. Daddy's shagging flies today. Get in your stance, buddy. Hold on.
Get in your stance. Get in your stance.
Okay. Oh, and he's running to first. Rounding the bases. Slide into third.
Whoa! Slide! Slide! Bert got deflated or something.
Tripping over all Lucas's toys. If you can hit that, Lucas. Okay, get in your stance.
Go, 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 go!
Trying to hit it twice. Okay, one more time, okay?
Where's the ball?
There's one right next to you. Okay, get in your stance. Get in your stance. Oh, pop up.